It's 8 a.m. It's super chill, slightly sunny, foggy. I got 2 packs of raisins, 3 energy bars. Yeah, basically everything. Let's see how fast I can do today's workout. We're exactly 2 hours in and we arrived in Kočevje, 60 kilometers away from home. So we're gonna see how much they progressed in this new road. And yeah, see you in the next city. Okay, we're almost there, but then look at this. Ay, ay, ay. 14%. a.m. and we came to Črnomelj. Now turn around. And yeah, back home. climb for the last 15 minutes. I think it's around 7%, and yeah, it's getting pretty hot, pretty hot. We are 6.5 hours in. Arms are getting kinda red. I don't think if you can notice, but it's super hot. I'm on this climb. Garmin is saying 36.5 Celsius, which I think it could be. At least it feels like. And I'm still trying to hold my 190 watts. It feels slightly harder than at start of the ride, but I think I'm gonna make it. I've been drinking a lot, eating a lot, and I got about 1 hour to go, so yeah.
1 hour later.
Okay, we are back. We did 214 kilometers, just above, let's see, 7 hours and a half, around 28 average, and we also got some results. Let's see. Okay, we got another layer, and yeah,